The Tineco Floor ONE S6 is an innovative cordless vacuum that combines a wet and dry cleaning system, making it highly versatile for tackling various messes on hard floors. Equipped with a unique, constant clean brush system, it ensures that the brush roller remains free of debris and dirty water, enhancing the overall cleanliness of your floors. This vacuum features a self-cleaning function that simplifies maintenance by deep cleaning the brush roller and tubing, followed by centrifugal drying to remove excess water. The enhanced dual-sided edge cleaning design allows the vacuum to reach every nook and cranny, ensuring comprehensive coverage without missing any spots. With Tineco's iLoop smart sensor technology, the vacuum automatically adjusts its suction power, roller speed, and water levels, optimizing cleaning efficiency and extending battery life. Overall, the Tineco Floor ONE S6 is a well-rounded cleaning tool that offers advanced features for a thorough and convenient cleaning experience on hard floors.